Hey guys, hello, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good, you all are fine. Okay guys, so today's video is all about ChatGPT. How can you complete a university assignment, projects, tasks using ChatGPT? So without any discussion, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, first of all, I open Google Chrome. I searched here ChatGPT. Okay, open the first link, try ChatGPT. Guys, I already created an account of ChatGPT and I already made a video how to register in ChatGPT. So see that if you want to register in ChatGPT. Okay, I open ChatGPT, that's new chat, or whether you want to ask a question. Okay, send a message. Guys, let's suppose you are a computer science student and you want to create a program using ChatGPT. Okay, I type here create a program to calculate age in years and months and days in C++. Okay guys, boom guys, see, ChatGPT is coding for you, ChatGPT is coding for me. If anyone have assignment of university, you can easily make through ChatGPT, which is a source of, which is a further program of AI, artificial intelligence, has made your work too much easier. It will save you maximum time and you will also get many help through ChatGPT. Okay guys, see, boom, my program is ready within a few seconds, not even a single minute is taken. Okay, let me see if it is correct or not. Okay, I'll copy the code and open GDB compiler C++. Okay guys, let's see whether it's running or not. Enter birth year. Okay, 2004. Enter birth month 8. Enter birth date 19. Enter current year 2023. Okay, enter current month, third month is going on, and today date is 30. You guys, you see, your age is 18 years 7 months and 11 days. Wow guys, boom, the program worked correctly. Let me take another example. Okay, we'll try to create a simple website using ChatGPT. Okay, create a simple website using HTML. Wow guys, it is typing a HTML website for you. Okay, wow guys, it will save you much time. You see guys, how fast it is coding the website for you, how fast it is doing his work. Okay, let's see how much time it takes for writing a HTML simple website. I think it's going to be just complete. Okay, let's wait. Wow guys, okay guys, the website has been created, so let me check if the code is correct or not. Let me type here HTML run code online. Okay, let me paste the code here and click on run. Boom guys, the website has been created. See here, name, email, message. Wow guys, ChatGPT saved too much time. So if you want any question regarding ChatGPT, you can simply comment in my video. Otherwise, you can go to ChatGPT and ask the question. That's very simple. So that was a basic video about ChatGPT. So guys, see you in the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.